Your leader with a 22.6, and Alejandro Zamora Cabana's right behind him, about 4 seconds back with a 23 and change for track position. Milk is back with us with a 26.6, and Mateo Varela with 32.2. Now we're caught up to date as Powell goes on to lap number 3. He's got a heater right there, Jesse, a pair of 22, a 22.2 and a 22.6.
When they were happening, I'm excited to see what the third lap is going to be.
But right now he's taking it out on beat. So far there's 2 laps he's posted, 1 minute fast. And the parts of each eye and right. Someone's got a yaw spinning gap right there. That was Alexi Lastis. And already being counseled by Paul Atkins. So he's like, issues as well as for Roland. And so your leader here after one could be David Mode. Now coming into this round, Quincy's in the number 6 spot. He's got an average of 23.7. That is a pair of 22s and a 26.
The left side of your screen right now, we've got yellow getting ready to pass blue as they cross over on the lap number 2. Ooh, and a bobble sets them back. But there is David Mode, first place, made it through the tunnel just ahead, and now...
All right, we got a thumbs up to the pilots already, and they are off. This is seat number 3. First one through is going to be Luisa Rizzo, and I believe the ISC here in the seat. That is in the blue top left-hand side. Rio on fire.
It's like getting a little bit of traffic from Kenny Chow in Taiwan. That's Steph BV and King on level right. They're side by side right now. As they cross the bleachers and the far end of the stadium, getting ready to hook down in the descent. Let's see who can do it cleaner. Oh man, side by side, blade to blade action. Oh, there we saw the pass.
There's the second pass.
And now a little bit more space for Luisa Rizzo in first place. Just a bit more breathing room, not enough to make an error, but there's the slalom. You see just a few gates or course features ahead.
It's got a 2-gate lead. Looks like we're trying to reconnect her. Miko Sato, bottom right-hand side. Jumped on the ground, see the radio up there, trying to make that connection. There's a little response, and not a good feeling when you're looking at the first-person view and you see the other drones flying by from left to right. You're like, I'm not into this one. But we aren't racing for track position. Today it's qualifying. We're racing against the clock. But when they get blade-to-blade, side-by-side, that is when we love it. That's when it's exciting, and you got that chase cam.